I, Srimati Devi Priyati Kamper, having been elected from 28 Nagpur District Council constituency as a member of the District Council of the Tranta Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Dr. Sun Kishore Kum, having been elected from the